This video is like a part 4 of what's going on at the channel right now. Part 1, unboxing the Air Jordan 1 Pollens. Part 2, explaining about how you can get these guys in hand. I'll send them to you for retail if you're interested in them. Part 3, yesterday's video, was the unboxing of the Air Jordan 5 Oreos. And then part 4 today is all about how you can get your hands on these guys for retail if you're interested. And the special offer, if you like, that I'm doing for both of these shoes, and I wouldn't normally do this, is that I'll pay for the shipping. Normally what I would do with these guys is say, right, can't get them in my size here in Tokyo, Japan, but I'll get them in your size and I'll pass them along at retail plus shipping, because I can't afford to pay for, you know, free shoes for people out there or free shipping and things like that. But because this is the first 2 shoes I've ever done this for, the Pollens and the Oreos, then we're going to have some challenges when it comes to the payment side of things and actually getting, you know, bank transfers or PayPal or whatever worked out. So the deal is that I will pay for the shipping if you'll be patient with me over trying different ways to actually get the cash over, you know, here in Tokyo, Japan, whether it's by bank transfer or PayPal or cash in the post, for all I know. So, so that's the deal. That's what's going on at the channel these days. Is that we're trying to get shoes in hand, pass them on to you guys out there for retail, because maybe I can get a W here in Tokyo, Japan that you can't get wherever you are in the world. And the 2 shoes on the docket for this week are those Air Jordan 1 Pollens and these Air Jordan 5 Oreos. And like I said, the unboxing videos and all that have already come to pass. So first things first, what you want to know is basically the details of this shoe. I think it was something like 24,000 yen, which would make it $240 retail. So that's how much money has to come my way, is $240. It's probably going to cost me about $30 to ship them, but I'll take care of that side of things. Like I said, just for these shoes in the future, the shipping would be yourselves out there covering that cost. So $240 is one big detail to know about. The other big detail is US size 10, UK size 9, and centimeters here in Japan, 28 centimeters. So if that's the shoe for you, if you want to get this for yourself because you didn't catch a W wherever you are in the world, or you know, if you want to get them because you just want them in your collection even though they don't fit, or the potential is that they've dropped here a lot earlier than they dropped out there. I read as late as September 11th these guys dropping, whereas they're already obviously dropped here and in hand in Japan. It was August the 25th that they came down the line. So if these are here 2 weeks faster than they are there, and you want to get your hands on them and have them before anybody else, let me know in the comments down below. So that's the deal. How you register your interest in getting these shoes for $240 retail is in the comments below on this video. Let me know, and you can write whatever you like. I'm in, I'm interested, yes, for sure, count me in. Whatever it is you want to write down below to let me know you want this shoe at retail. Just write whatever you want to write, and that's it. That's all I need from you guys. Don't need anything else at all. But it has to be on this video, and it's the same for those Pollens. It has to be on the Jordan 1 video about how you can get your hands on them. There's no point in putting that comment on the unboxing video, because that's not going to be where we draw the name from about who gets these shoes. So don't put it on another video. Don't put it on the video linked in the description of every single one of my videos about how this process is going to work in terms of sneakers in hand for you guys, or sneakers at retail for you guys. So don't put it on those videos. Don't put it on any of the other videos. Don't put it on the week in sneakers at Tokyo, Japan. You know, don't put it on that video. It has to be this video. This video about how you can register your interest in getting the Jordan 5 Oreos for retail. Put a comments down below, but I don't care how you do the comment. I don't care what you do, whether you do it in reply to somebody else's comment or whatever. It doesn't matter. But what does matter is, based on that information, how is it that I'm going to choose somebody to get these guys? And it's the same with the Jordan 1 Pollens. I really want to be transparent. I really want people to see how this is going to happen. So the idea is, the way I'm thinking about it, is basically if, say, 10 people show their interest in this shoe, I have to choose one of those 10s. I thought I'd maybe do something like use dice or something like that to basically just roll a number 14. There were 20 people showed their interest. Whoever number 14 is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Number 14 is Bob Smith. You're the winner. And it will just be completely transparent with no, no recordings or electronic devices or anything like that. Just some way to completely transparently choose somebody who can get their hands on these. And I think that's important. I think it's important. More important for the people who catch that L this way, L this way, L. I think this way, L, that they want to know that if they haven't been the person who gets the shoes and for retail from me, that the person who did get them got them fair and transparent, and there wasn't any sort of funny business going on. Speaking of funny business, actually, I forgot to mention I usually shoot on a green screen, and when I shot the unboxing video for the Pollens, I didn't like how this background here, the cupboard doors, looked, so I've hung a rug to sort of give a better, better definition, better visual, and I forgot that I wasn't on green screen, and whenever I do green screen I have to wear light grey shirts because they're the ones that work best with the green screen technology, and then I realised, I'm not restricted to light grey, I can do something else. So I've got I don't know if you can see it, but it's my Nike Tokyo black t-shirt on it. It's great to be able to shoot content in black. Hopefully it's not made a mess of things, green screen or not, but that's the whole deal. So that's what's going on here these days, guys. It's all about me trying to get you the shoes you want in your size because I'm here in Tokyo, Japan, and maybe it's easier for me to catch W's than it is for you where you are in the world. Maybe I can get them in the size that you can't get them in, and I'm happy to do that without any profit or any win for me as far as the money side goes, but I can't do it for free. I don't have the funds, I don't have the money to be able to buy shoes and just pass them on to you for free. That's just not where we are in terms of personal finances, but also channel finances. The money's not there to basically do these as giveaways as much as I would like to. So but if this goes well and the channel keeps on growing and views and watch time turn into income for the channel, revenue for the channel, then I'll just pump that money back in, and maybe it will turn into giveaways instead of being sort of like raffles where you're still actually paying for the shoes. So that's a possibility, something to sort of think about down the line. So the big deal though is I think it will end up being Monday the 30th, I think. Let me just think about the videos. Friday the 27th is the Pollen unboxing. Saturday the 28th is the have I got that right? Is it the 28th? I think it is the Pollen raffle video. Sunday the 29th is the Oreo unboxing video, which makes Monday the 30th this video. So maybe it's Tuesday is going to be the live video where I choose the person who's won that chance to get both of these shoes, whichever one they want, by looking at the comments down below and somehow choosing one of those people in the most transparent and fair way possible. So basically, show your interest down below in any way you see fit. I don't care what you write down there, as long as you're saying, yes, I'm interested in this shoe. Size 10 in the US, size 9 in the UK, 28 centimeters in Japan. So show your interest down below, and then in the next couple of days, let's put it that way, I'll do a live video where I select the person who's going to be getting their hands on these guys and lucky enough to actually take them home for a retail, potentially ahead of the drop date where you guys are in the world. So it's a whole new thing at the channel these days. It's a whole new angle that I've never tried before. Basically, I'm using the income that I've generated at the channel from being monetized for the last year and a half. I've got a couple of $1,000 maybe after 2-3 years of work, so it's not like a huge gold mine or anything, but using that money to get shoes like these and then pass them on to you guys for retail is something I can sort of manage to do. So fingers crossed it's all going to work out, and you're going to be happy to get your hands on either those Air Jordan 1 Pollens or those Air Jordan 5 Oreos or whatever shoes come down the line. And if you've got a request, definitely send it my way. I do have a request for tomorrow, or it's the Nike Dunk High women's cashmere, that there's a request to try and go after them in a 25 centimeter. So it can be a request from you guys, or it can just be me hitting a W on sneakers and then seeing who's interested in the pair. So so that's the deal. Show your interest below. Keep an eye out for the live video in the next few days where I'll choose who's going to get the sneakers at retail without shipping. I'll take care of the shipping for these two shoes because it's the first time we're doing this, and I need you to be patient about working out the bank details because it's going to be tough. But for now though, it's time to just wrap this one up. Another daily video coming to you guys from Tokyo, Japan, and I do the same thing at the end of every single video. If you're a new watcher to the channel, I tell you that I do this every single day, and because I do it every single day, that means that you are guaranteed to see me tomorrow.